Hey there, AgriFam! Today we're tackling onion crop diseases head-on. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a budding gardener, let's get down and dirty with the challenges these crops face. 1. Downy mildew, Peronospora destructor. Downy mildew, characterized by yellowing and wilting of onion leaves, thrives in cool and humid conditions. Effective control involves employing various fungicides. Mancozeb disrupts metabolic processes, mefenoxam inhibits pathogen growth systemically, and copper hydroxide exerts antimicrobial effects. These fungicides collectively play a crucial role in preventing and mitigating downy mildew, contributing to overall disease management in agriculture. 2. Botrytis leaf blight, Botrytis squamosa. This disease induces grayish-white lesions on onion leaves, potentially leading to leaf collapse and bulb rot. Azoxystrobin disrupts fungal respiration, fludioxonil inhibits spore germination, and thiophanate methyl interferes with fungal cell membranes. These fungicides, acting through different mechanisms, contribute to a comprehensive management approach for botrytis leaf blight in onion crops. 3. Purple blotch, Alternaria pori. Circular lesions with a purple center on onion leaves characterize purple blotch, impacting bulb size and quality. Chlorothalonil inhibits various fungal development stages. Propiconazole disrupts fungal sterol biosynthesis, and a combination of mancozeb and cymoxanil offers dual protection. These fungicides contribute to a comprehensive strategy in managing purple blotch in onion crops. 4. Bacterial soft rot, Pectobacterium carotavorum. Bacterial soft rot causes watery, foul-smelling decay in onion bulbs post-harvest. Copper-based fungicides and streptomycin hinder bacterial growth, while biopesticides with Bacillus subtilis promote beneficial bacteria to suppress pathogenic bacteria, forming an integrated approach to disease management. 5. White rot, Sclerotium cepivorum. White rot, a soil-borne fungus infecting onion roots and bulbs, is combated using tebuconazole, inhibiting ergosterol biosynthesis, trichoderma-based biopesticides, suppressing pathogenic fungi, and a combination of fludioxonil and metalaxyl, providing dual protection. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our Pesticides Info YouTube channel for more insightful content. Follow us on Facebook for regular updates. Your crop's health is our priority.